In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Odoo. Let's get started right from your Odoo dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the website application. This is usually shown as an icon labeled website on your main app screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will open your main website, the one that your visitors actually see, but with the Odoo editing tools available at the top. When the website loads, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You should see an edit button there. Click on Edit to enter editing mode. This is an important step because you can't change the theme or its colors unless you're in this mode. You'll notice that the page layout becomes selectable and additional options will appear on the side, showing that you're now able to customize the page. Once you're in edit mode, look for the theme option. This is usually found in the panel that appears on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on Theme to open the theme customization settings. Here, Odoo gives you controls that affect the overall look and feel of your website, rather than just a single page or block. Inside the theme settings, you'll see different options for customizing your theme colors. This is where you can adjust your primary and secondary colors, background colors, and sometimes additional accents, depending on the theme you're using. Click on the color you want to change, and a color picker will appear. You can choose a color by clicking directly on the palette, or if you already know the exact color code you want to use, you can type it in. Take a moment to experiment a little and see how each color change affects your buttons, headings, and other elements across the site. Think about your brand. Try to match your company logo or your existing brand guidelines so your website feels consistent and professional. As you make changes, Odoo will show you a live preview on the page behind the panel. If something doesn't look quite right, you can simply pick a different color until you're happy with the result. When you're satisfied with your theme colors and the overall look, don't forget the most important step: saving your work. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right, and click on Save. Odoo will apply your new theme settings to the website. That's it. You've successfully changed your theme colors in Odoo and updated the visual identity of your site.